Some of y'all have seen my videos regarding my Mindset of Mommies program that I'm doing my next group cohort March 3rd. I've ran this program a couple times in the last year, and each time it keeps getting better. How do you know if this program is for you? So this program was created for the gal in mind who is afraid of gaining weight, who doesn't know what exercises to modify or do, or is fearful of doing exercises during pregnancy. It's for the gal that doesn't know where to begin with support, but knows she's going to need it. It's for the gal that wants to find better resources that aren't just social media like influencers. It's for the gal that wants some intimate coaching experience, but also wants to connect with other people who are like-minded, so who enjoy exercise and want to do it through their pregnancy, who want to make the best choices that they can that are right for them with their nutrition. It's for the gal that, really wants to give herself the best platform for pregnancy and her health. So I created this program because what I was noticing with a lot of my clients is they would come out of pregnancy and birth and just kind of be shell-shocked by what happened, and or they felt like they wanted to exercise but didn't really know how, or they started eating for two because why not? They were going to gain weight anyways, only to be like ashamed in themselves and how they felt postpartum. So I thought there's got to be a way I can communicate what I know in a quick course and make it exercise, nutrition, and health minded, but also lead clients and others to sources that, fit their model for what they want their pregnancy and birth to be like. So I created the Mindset of Mommies. So this is a 8-week course, essentially. In this course is 6 modules. So the first week is just our onboarding, but we do have a group call that week. And the second week is exercise. So we're going to talk about how to change your exercises based on each trimester and what to expect and things to be aware of. Because what I notice is that we either stop exercising because of fear that we're going to hurt the baby, which scientific evidence shows contrary, that exercise is actually really good for the pregnant woman and the baby. But also like how to modify as each trimester goes and your belly grows. So for example, maybe some like flat bench presses aren't comfortable for us anymore. So what do? Then we're going to go into nutrition. So how nutrition plays a role, how that changes each trimester. It can change each trimester. Foods to be sure to include, foods to avoid, kind of that gray area too. So like, can I have sushi? What about deli meat? What about kombucha, right? Because it has alcohol in it. What about how do I change my macronutrients ratio if I track calories? So we're going to talk about that. And then, ideally how much to increase each trimester, how to honor your hunger cues. Then also on the 3rd week, we're going to go into mindset. So the most important thing here is how do I adapt to my changing body? What does that look like? How do I, let my body image kind of release itself, not try and control through calories or over exercising or saying F it. How do I prepare for changes that I'm going to have in my relationship? What is my mindset going into pregnancy? What is my mindset for birth? Like, how do I want to prepare for this? What are my options? So a lot of work there. Changes with each trimester too of mindset. Like first trimester, you might have a lot of food aversions. You might be tired. You might feel guilty for not working out. Like, what do we do about that? 3rd trimester, you might feel too tired to work out, too winded to work out. What do we do about that? We then go into monitoring and care. So testing that's done each trimester, options for those testing, just expected results, advanced testing, what that looks like. Then we're going to talk about support. So OBGYN versus midwife, chiropractor, pelvic PT, birth doula, postpartum doula, newborn care specialist, all types of people that you can include in your pregnancy and on your support team. And then we're going to go into resources. So social media people I recommend, podcasts I recommend, books I recommend, just to get you more information. So ideally, this program is for the gal that wants more information, for the gal that wants to feel confident during pregnancy and leading up to her birth. This program is for the girl who wants a better outlook on pregnancy. This program is for the girl who wants to remain active during pregnancy. This program is for the girl who wants to, have these nutrition choices that influence her pregnancy. This program is for the girl who's ready to honor her body when it's changing state. So the last week is just kind of our wrap up, where we go over, if you want continuation of programming or if you're good to go, great, we got the information. Each week we'll have that group call where we discuss the topic of the week. You're going to have other girls in the cohort program that are in a group that you can ask questions to or that I'll answer. Weekly check-ins, custom nutrition coaching. You can have one-to-one messaging with me. It's a really great program, and it is made for girls like us in mind, and even for those who don't work out currently but want to during pregnancy. Now's a great time to start. We might as well, right? We might as well lay those foundations that you can right now, because postpartum is going to be a whole nother world. You'll also have exercise programming in there. So you're going to have 2 phases. There's a beginner option and an advanced option. So one's more of an at-home. The other one is more of a gym style workout that you can do. You don't have to. If you've got your own programming that you like, more power to you. So yeah, if you're interested, check the link below. We start the program March 3rd. Group calls are going to be on Wednesdays. And I hope to see you there. If you have questions, please let me know. I will have a Q&A call option. So be sure to check my social media at fitbyamanda.com for those times and that link to come on. And basically the call is just to say, hey, I'm interested, but I'm not really sure, or answer some questions you may have about the program, see if it's a good fit for you. I just want to make sure that, it's what you're looking for. So we'll see you on the next video.